Welcome dear children. Today in this video I will tell you one story. This story is about Tenali Raman and the peach. Peach is name of a fruit. It is very tasty fruit. And Tenali Raman, who is Tenali Raman? That I will explain you. And before starting the story, I want to tell you some good facts about our country. Like India is known as the fruit basket of the world. India is known as the fruit basket of the world. It is the second largest producer of fruits in the world. India is the second largest producer of fruits in the world. Now about Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was a very clever man. He was very clever. He was very good advisor also. He was a Telugu poet. Telugu is a language and Tenali Raman was a Telugu poet. And he is known for his intelligence. Tenali Raman is known for his intelligence. It means he was very intelligent. Now we will start reading the story. First I will read the story and then I will explain. Read this story about a clever man called Tenali Raman. He was so clever man that even the king could not stay angry with him for long even when Tenali had done something wrong. This story is about a clever man. His name was Tenali Raman and he was so clever, so intelligent that even the king could not stay angry. Even the king could not get angry on him. Why? Because he was so clever. Anytime if Tenali had done something wrong, then also the king could not stay angry on him. Because he was so clever, so intelligent. Now I will start reading of this story. First I will read and then I will explain the story. The Emperor of China once sent some peaches to King Krishnadev Rai. He sent a message along with the fruits explaining that the delicious fruits would give a long life to anyone who ate them. Tenali Raman had never seen peaches before and he was tempted to see the plump, pink fruits. Tempted means attracted. Now next page. Raman picked up one of the fruits and then without thinking much he bit into it. The king was very angry. The king was very angry. "You have bitten into a fruit meant for me," he shouted loudly. "For this you will be punished." The king ordered his guards to take Tenali Raman to the prison. As Raman was being taken away by the royal guards, he exclaimed with a sigh. Sigh means a long deep breath. "What a liar the Emperor of China is. He says peaches give long life. I took just one bite and I am about to go to prison. Oh, what will happen to a person who eats a whole peach?" The king was greatly amused by Raman's wit. Meaning of amused is pleased and the meaning of wit is able to say or write clever things. The king was greatly amused by Raman's wit he not only forgave him but also gave Tenali a dozen of the peaches he had risked his life for. So this was the story of Tenali and the peaches. Now explanation. I will explain the story. This story is about a fruit, peach. Peach is very good fruit, very tasty. And once upon a time, the Emperor of China sent some peaches to King Krishnadev Rai. And with the peaches, he sent one message also. What was the message? The message was that the delicious fruits would give a long life to anyone who ate them. If anyone will eat those peaches, he or she, the person, will get long life. So Tenali Raman had never seen peaches before, and he was tempted to see the plump pink fruits. He was attracted to those fruits and he was tempted to see the plump pink fruits. And when he went to see the fruits, he picked one of the fruits and then, without thinking much, he bit into it. And when Raman saw those fruits, without taking permission of king, without thinking anything, he bit into it. He took a bite, and when king saw this incident, he was very angry. He got angry on Tenali. You have bitten into a fruit meant for me. Whatever you have done, this meant for me. He shouted loudly that for this you will be punished. Whatever you have done, for this you will get punishment. The king ordered his guards to take Tenali Raman to the prison. The king ordered his guards to take Tenali Raman to the prison. The Raman was being taken away by the royal guards. When he was taken away by royal guards, he thought, I should never give up. I should think positively. And because he was very clever and very intelligent, then he said to the king that what a liar the Emperor of China is. The Emperor of China is a liar. Why? Because he said, I took just one bite and I am about to go to prison, and the Emperor said that peaches give long life. Tenali said, the Emperor says peaches give long life, but I took only just one bite and I am about to go to prison. It means the Emperor of China is a liar. Then he said, oh, what will happen to a person who eats a whole peach? I have taken just one bite and I am going to prison. What will happen to those who will eat full peach, whole peach? The king was greatly amused. King was greatly pleased by Raman's ability to say or write clever things. Because Raman was very clever, so king was pleased. And because of this answer, because of this positive thinking, because of this intelligence, he not only forgave him but also gave Tenali a dozen of the peaches he had risked his life for, because his life was in the risk because of the peaches only. So king has given peaches to Tenali and he also forgave him. This was the story. And what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is we should always think about positive side of any incident. What we have learned from this story, that Tenali was in trouble, Tenali was in problem, and even then he thought positive, he was thinking positively. He thought, I should never give up, I should use my intelligence and because of that intelligence, king forgave him and he got reward also, reward of peaches. So we should always think about positive side. We should always see positive side of any incident, and we should always think positively. Thank you, children. Read all the hard words, try to read story and learn all the hard words. Do reading practice. Thank you once again.